Good morning, everyone. We have Gracie's babies here for a little video update. They are just starting to kind of move around and get curious in the world, so thought we'd catch them on video this week. Our big dog Ella is here to try to steal the show, so she might pop into the frame a few times. This little guy here is Garrett. And next to him is his sister Gabby. And then we have Gus here, his cute little half stash. And our little guy that's turned around has been renamed Bentley. He's a little Bentley guy. Hey, buddy. This is a pretty calm little group. They don't do a whole lot of whining or crying or anything. Not really interested in toys yet, but probably by next week they'll be running around everywhere.
Yeah.
You guys, you're turning around the wrong way, sillies. There we go. So cute. They are very cute. I'm gonna eat the blanket. Probably looking for Mama.
He's like, is this Mama? Where's Mama?
It feels furry, so we think it might be Mama. Mr. Bentley's gonna just take a little nap here.
Yeah. They're all so cute.
There we go. Now we're all turned around.
It's the puppy pile.
It's a cute group.
Yeah, it sure is. Hey.
Getting some kid time today.
My leg.
Sleepy guys? Think we're sleepy?
That one's shaking over there.
He thought he found Mama in the blanket. He's a little disappointed that that wasn't her.
Yeah.
Buddy. I know, I'm not Mama either.
Neither am I.
Come on up here with your brothers and your sister. There we go.
They got their teeth yet?
Well, you could feel in their mouth. They do have little nubby teeth.
Tiny.
So next week we'll start giving them some mushy food in the morning. Start supplementing what Mom's giving them and get them used to the big dog food. Our little friend, I think, is going to escape under the couch there. Oh, the floor is slippery. Come here. It's a little slippery, huh?
Yeah,
You come on this side. There we go.
About to help him, but I didn't need to, apparently.
And give you kisses, huh?
Yeah. Feels like the tiniest bite you could ever have.
You want to just fall asleep on us, Gus?
Oh, this one's curious of me. This one right here's curious. Oh,
You're not ready to play? That nose is almost filled in now.
this one's
Gabby.
This one's like, oh, who dis?
Sweet girl.
Right?
Mm-hmm.
You got curious.
Mr. Bentley has not wanted to wake up for anything, huh?
Apparently
No
not.
way. Sleep is much better.
This one right here is fast asleep.
Well,
They're all asleep except for this little one.
there they are, guys. Hopefully next week they'll be running around for you. But we hope you enjoyed seeing your puppies, and we'll see you again next week.